Hey guys, let's cook a roast today, okay? I want to make French dip sandwiches, so I'm going to get right into this. And this is going in the crock pot, so it's going to be quick and easy. And I'm using a chuck steak a chuck roast. And I also have a chuck steak that I'm going to put with it because they didn't have a big enough roast. So let me get this going. And I'm going to put some French onion soup. I'm just going to put a little bit in here. The rest I'm going to pour right over the top. I'm going to set this roast in there. I'm going to put a little bit of pepper on there. I have my crock pot heating over here. And I'll throw the chuck steak on that. Actually, I'm going to move it over. Put the chuck steak on that side. Some nice looking steak here. Cook this. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm also going to add some Lipton onion soup mix. This is beefy onion, one of my favorites, and I use this for a lot of stuff. I made this before, and it comes out super tender. It's super delicious. That's all you got to do. Put it in the crock pot. Now I've had my crock pot heating. It's on high, but I'm going to be turning it on low. I just want to get it going because it's just after 9 o'clock in the morning, and I want this done by around 3:30, 4 o'clock this afternoon. All right, guys, my pot roast is done, and you got to see this. It smells so good. This is so tender and smells amazing. Let me put this right on here. It's going to be delicious. The smell has been killing me all day. Well, we don't want that in there. I'm going to break this up, and look how tender it is. Really, that is so soft. Here, give that a try. Get your napkin. I think it's going to be great. I think.
Really good. Yeah.
All right. That's French dip in the crock pot.
Can I eat the recipe?
Sure.
All right.